So let's just say I want to go here. I can make that my background. Oh, having a nice little coffee date. Obviously, I'm by myself. The date didn't go too well, so we're going to ignore that.
Perfect.
Hello. Are you a streamer? A content creator? A designer? An editor? Whatever the case may be, whoever you are, first of all, hi. Second, I'm going to teach you today in this video how to make or remove part of an image and make it transparent. For free. Yes, for free. As we all say, if it's free, it's for me. Lord knows 2020 has definitely taken a hit on all of us, and we got to get all the free stuff we can. So, I'm going to help you out. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. But first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those post notifications. I'll wait. Oh, you're done already? That was fast. Thank you. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so you're in your design software to make your backgrounds, your banners, your thumbnails, whatever the case may be. So I uploaded this background, this image first, resized it, and to make it easier, I have this border and this background. I am making a video set at 1920 by 1080 because that is the size of your overlay screen. And then this is my first shape, which I'm going to make it a little bit easier for me. I'm going to solid fill this with black. Done with that. And then I copied this, resized it, and then I'm going to add my name. So you can go in here, you can put just chatting, intermission, you can add a chat box, anything that you want to do. The ideas are endless. You can be as creative and detailed as you want with your overlay scene, or as simple and clean cut as you would like. So let's save this. And by the way, I'm going to show you two different websites that are free for you to use to whether or not remove a background and or remove part of an image. For example, right here we're going to remove part of an image to make our overlay scene. So I'm going to go in here, upload a new photo, and I will link both of these in the description, so don't worry. So I'm uploading my photo, and then as you can see, that's the photo that I just made. So I'm going to click Advanced, and then Transparency. I haven't clicked anything else after Transparency. So you pull up all these tabs over here. You draw a transparent line, make a transparent box, but I haven't clicked anything yet. So this black box that I made, and there was a reason that I made it a different color, I'm going to click that. And as you can see, it removed it. So then, I'm going to save this photo and prove to you that it's transparent. I mean, if that didn't sell it to you right there, I'll show you again. So now you see this. So before that was black. The border and the photo that this pulls up in, the background is gray. That's why that shows up as gray. So that photo and that part of the image has been removed. But just to go back a step further and show you, so transparent box, you see this red box pulls up, so you can go in, readjust it, resize it, and just to prove it works, you'll remove that area, and now you have that entire area transparent. I can draw a transparent line. That's cool. Now I have a transparent line. And then the other website that I use, remove.bg.com, or remove.bg, actually that's it. So we're going to upload a dorky, goofy photo of myself. Don't judge. And this is going to remove your background. So you see it remove my background. There's part of my chair. So you can edit. So let's just say I want to go here. I can make that my background. Oh, having a nice little coffee date. Obviously, I'm by myself. The date didn't go too well, so we're going to ignore that. But you can also erase and restore, and then you can rechange the brush size, restore. Let's just say I want to restore, so I can bring back some of that background, or I can erase that background. Whatever the case may be, you can do that. Then you simply just download the image and you're good to go. Save it, go back into your editing software or your design software, make your thumbnails, do whatever it is you got to do. So those are two free sites for you to remove part of an image or to remove a background of a photo. They're both completely free. They are both linked in the channel description below. We all love free things. It's 2020. We all know it's been a nightmare. And if it's free, it's for me, right? Well, you're welcome. If you have any questions, any other ideas or things that you would like for me to make a video on that you're having trouble with, whether it be stream related, design related, I've designed all my own logos, thumbnails, banners, everything, and I do all my own video editing as well. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please list those and drop those down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Tatted Alpha, and I'll see you next time.